all the updates coming in from the Ghazipur border, because a delegation of the opposition leaders, about 15 MPs, are currently at Ghazipur border and they're trying to make their way in. Farmers, remember, are protesting there, and this delegation wants to meet with the farmers. Let's cut across to some reactions.
Of barricades, barbed wires, iron spikes and concrete walls built to keep our own people away. And even if there's a medical emergency, you can't reach them, they can't reach out, and internet has been completely cut off. Is this a way to treat our own people? And you don't allowing us to discuss it in Parliament. We've been requesting the Speaker and the government that we want to discuss the farmers' issue separately, but they're not giving us time. Thank you.
DMK MP Kanimuri there questioning the government, saying that the situation along Delhi's borders is unprecedented. Also questioning the kind of clampdown that we're seeing security-wise on the ground, and saying that there must be time given for a detailed discussion in both houses of the parliament. On your screens are the big developments happening at the Ghazipur border as we speak. On the right of your screens are those visuals of the parliamentarians who are trying to make their way in, but have been stopped just in front of the barricades by the Delhi police, citing the law and order situation, citing a security concern. And on the other hand, the left of your screens is what's happening currently, where those iron spikes, those iron nails which were put in to stop vehicles or tractors from moving forward, are being removed by the authorities now. Does that mean the barricades also will be next? Will we be seeing those removed? Remains a big question mark. But right now, these iron spikes are being removed. But the parliamentarians who've gathered there, 15 MPs in all, not being allowed to go forward. Remember that the situation in Ghazipur is very volatile. The Delhi police has beefed up security, saying that things are on edge and we cannot allow things to spill over and lead to violence or tension. And it is because of this that perhaps these MPs also are being denied permission right now. Let's listen in to Harsimrat Kaur Badal, who is currently at the Ghazipur border, also trying to meet with the farmers.
मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट होने के नाते हमको इतना ये देख के भयानक डर लग रहा है, तो जो वो बेचारे अंदर बिना पानी के, बिना बिजली के, बिना खाने के, बिना टॉयलेट्स के 3 किलोमीटर तक ऐसे बैरिकेडिंग है। 3 किलोमीटर, ये तो वो है कि जेल से भी बदतर हालत आपने कर दिया उनको उधर कैद करके, ये अन्नदाता को, बेचारे गरीब किसान को।
Let me take this across now to Kumar Kunal to get you a sense of what's happening at the Ghazipur border. Kumar, are the MPs being allowed in now? Are they being allowed to meet with the protesting farmers?
No, they are not being allowed. I can show you the live pictures still. They are standing where they used to stand behind the barricades. These are the live pictures. I can show you heavy security deployment is being can be seen here. And all the MPs, they are waiting still outside the barricades. They are on the Delhi side of the barricades. I can show you from where we are reporting. It's the Ghaziabad side where the protest is happening right now. And the MPs are standing on the Delhi side. They are not being allowed anywhere near towards the protest sites. So all these are these things are happening. The political temperature is getting higher and higher. The MPs are telling that they are not being allowed, and this is not being acceptable in the parliamentary system, since parliament is also in session, and these MPs want to take view of the situation on the ground, what's actually happening, and they are not being allowed. So this is not justified. Even they are moving, and even the farmers are now sloganeering on this side. So all these things are happening. On the one side, I showed you that how the nails have been, the spikes are being removed by the Delhi police. What I have learned meanwhile, that since the spikes were damaged by some damage, so they are being removed, and there is no final decision taken that these spikes will be put after repair or not. So these things are still not clear. Meanwhile, I can show you that how the delegation is moving away from the barricade. Still not clear that has the Delhi police allowed them to visit the site, and how these MPs will be provided a passage inside the protest site. But still they are moving away from the barricades. So maybe there are only two options. They must be either they must be allowed to visit from some alternative route, or they are being sent back to Delhi by the local administration. So these things are happening at the Gazipur border right now. Heavy security deployment. You can see barbed wires, you can see the barricades, you can see the nails. All these things have been put up, and there is a gathering of farmers who are looking, who are keenly watching the developments whichever is happening at the border right now. So these are the pictures, these are the live pictures I am bringing you from the Gazipur border. How is the situation? The situation is full of speculation, full of excitement, full everything is happening. Police is removing nails. The MP is moving away, farmers gathering at the barricades. So all these things are happening right now at the Gazipur border.
Okay, Kumar, thank you for getting us the ground report. We'll keep coming to you to give us a sense of what's happening at the Gazipur border, where you see on one hand those are iron spikes, those nails which are put on as a security measure being removed now by the authorities, and on the other, 3 layers of barricades away from the protest site. It's where 15 MPs are standing there, refusing to move till they are allowed to meet with the protesting farmers, something that the Delhi police right now is ruling out.